Friends, welcome back to PCB Repair YouTube channel. Today's tutorial 32-inch silent LED TV vertical bar problem. Since I upload a new video a few days ago and the views have improved, I have put another a new video on your request. So let's get started. First, here look at the panel number. The number on the panel is TP320AT02-2-XC. Then the resistance. Here are the right side CKV connection. Then the odd even test point is okay. Then there are the left side CKV connection. Then the odd even test point is okay. Then this is the DC to DC IC and this is the level shifter IC. Currently, the problem that occur in this panel are mostly from this level shifter IC. Look at this level. The data voltage that are output from the IC are full voltage, but this occur is connect directly to the pixel inside this glass through the side of the oscilloscope. Anyway, when you work, we must remember the number of our panel and whether the problems in that panel are mostly from CKV line or CKV. If so, then we must follow the level shifter IC here. When the level shifter IC work properly, we have to not miss the CKV connection. How to modify the CKV connection is that first on the right side or on the left side, first disconnect CLK1 to 8 one by one, and if the problem is not solved, then reconnect through connection one by one. If still not, then modify the odd even test point from one side and open the CKV connection on the other side. If you work like this, I hope the properly of complete the work is 90%. Anyway, I put that video at your request. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe to the PCB Repair YouTube channel. Definitely turn on the bell icon next to it. Everyone will be fine and healthy. My Allah Hafiz.